Spotify running on my Mac. Down here we've got an Ethernet cable with a power injection coming from a standard Orbitsound power supply. So that means I'm running Ethernet and power down this cable. I'm going to follow this outside. And here we have the standard P70. And around the back here I'm using this, extracts the power. So power is then sent to the unit powering the P70, and power is also sent to this little miniature power supply I've wired in here, which powers the Google Chromecast. This is not running on Wi-Fi, this is running using this Ethernet adapter here. So for an installation, this is going to be perfectly usable. So the whole lot is passively powered down this one cable. There's no power leads at all. Go back inside. Press play. And it's instant.